Have you ever wondered why it's so easy to drop $100 on a single dinner, but it feels like absolute torture to save those same $100 for your future? It's not that you're bad with numbers. It's not that you lack willpower. It's something much deeper. Today, we're going to discover why your brain is biologically programmed to keep you broke, and how you can hack that system before it's too late. Welcome. If you're listening to this, you've probably tried to save money before. You set a goal on New Year's Day, you downloaded an app, you made a spreadsheet, and 2 weeks later, a pair of sneakers went on sale, or a night out with friends came up, and the whole plan fell apart. Society tells us that saving is a matter of discipline. But science says otherwise. We are fighting against thousands of years of evolution. Your brain doesn't understand the concept of retirement. Your brain only understands now. This is where most people fail, and I want you to pay close attention to these 3 points. First, your future self is a stranger. Myri scans show that when you think about yourself 10 years from now, your brain activates the same areas it uses when thinking about a complete stranger. To your mind, saving money isn't giving it to yourself. It's taking it away from yourself to give it to a stranger. That's why it hurts. Second, hedonic adaptation. Remember that pay raise you wanted so badly? You got it, and 3 months later, your expenses magically rose to match it. We think we need more to start saving, but the truth is, the brain gets used to pleasure very quickly and always demands a higher dose. Third, hyperbolic discounting. We prefer a small reward today, like an expensive coffee or a new subscription, over a massive reward tomorrow. So, what do? If your brain is the enemy, don't try to convince it with logic. You have to trick it. The solution isn't to try harder. The solution is automation. If you wait until the end of the month to see what's left over to save, the answer will always be nothing. You have to pay yourself first before your brain even realizes the money was there. I want to leave you with this question to reflect on. Are you feeding your present self while letting your future self starve? Saving isn't just about stashing cash, it's about buying freedom. Every dollar you don't spend today is a day of your life you won't have to sell to someone else in the future. Think about it. And the next time you feel the urge to spend on something you don't need, remember that stranger in the future.